Almost. She can get silver button from YouTube. You know?
What? English? I don't understand English. Sorry.
Yeah, you don't need to understand.
Yeah, I don't understand English. Sorry.
Yeah, you don't need to understand. Just, I know you can feeling what I say. Yeah, that's ghost. We know, right?
Yes. Are you sick?
No.
Come close. I'm nurse. I thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Joy. Lots of love and respect from our country, Nepal. Thank you so much.
A lot of respect from you.
Everyone loves you. Everyone respect you.
A lot of love
Our
from
country, peoples are very honest and kindness. You know that. Because they support you.
Guys, let's go 100 subscribe for this. Let's subscribe Ghost channel. 100k silver, let's go.
Let's subscribe on Joy channel.
Yeah, subscribe 100k silver.
34 Joy Joy.
Let's go, guys. It's almost there. Guys,
Yeah, Joy is very positive person. Yeah, he like me. Why? I don't know. Why he choose me? I don't know. Why he choose me? Like I don't know what he feeling for me. What he like. He think about me. I don't know. But I don't know. I'm like too much different. Why? I cannot feel for him.
before you think, you chose me first. Don't forget it. I didn't choose you first.
जिसकेर भने त I जो जिसके थे के म थत्तरीका I'm not like negative. I always like support you in positive English त्यति आउँदैन त्यही पनि like don't think negative. I'm only positive with you.
We can feel now your face. easy to recognize your face. Easy to know your face.
अघि कुकुरलाई बुझिसकेको होला कि बुझाउन सक्दिनँ म अघि एउटा कुकुरलाई बुझाएको भए बुझाइहाल्थेँ बुझिहाल्थेँ
When you think too much, when you lie, your face muscle is not working. Just like we positive. Your face like this. We positive. We happy. Like this, your face. And your eye is different. Okay, let's go J support and then yes. Yeah. Guys, yes, thank you. Yes. Can I go? Those, I told you, don't think about